So our next step, we'll go to implant planning. And here we will go to the CAD application. Now the software is asking for the DICOM files. You can already access it from the database file that's already highlighted. That's why I told you in the beginning, you have to put it in the database folder, or it's not a big deal. You can go to any of the files, you know where the file is, and you can open it and you can import what you want. So I have my DICOM here. I select it. One tip, if you have many folders, for example, a folder inside another folder, maybe the software will not recognize the DICOM. Just keep on going to open these folders until you reach the final folder and highlight it and just click OK. So the DICOM is being loaded now, and we have the DICOM file. Look at the side here, you will find the DICOM control. You can show the DICOM control panel or hide it. Okay. And here on the side you have the groups. You can hide whatever group you like. We'll talk about that later. Here is the DICOM. You can zoom in with the wheel mouse. With the wheel of the mouse, you can zoom in or out. You can left click, you can rotate. Right click, you can rotate. And if you press the wheel and move, you will move the cuts right or left, up or down. As you can see here, look at the workspaces on the right. You can see they are moving. So the DICOM control here panel, we have the data of the patient. We have the view. You can view as an ISO surface. ISO surface means like a surface, and you can threshold it. If you move the threshold to the right, you will get more hard objects, bone, enamel, and finally metal. If you move to the left side, you will get more of the soft tissue. As you can see here, part of the lip and part of the nose can be seen here. So this is an ISO surface. I can adjust it to see the bone and teeth. I don't need the soft tissue. Okay, there are some artifacts here, of course, from the metal artifacts. You can view an X-ray. As you can see, it's an X-ray here. And here you can, in the ISO surface, you can generate the surfaces. For example, you can convert an STL file from the DICOM. We'll talk about that later when we discuss the bone supported surgical guides. So this is the basic functions. You have some options here. Of course, you can save some thresholds, soft tissue, bone, or teeth. You can save them to be able to switch between one of these. We can add a surface, or we can just discard it. I'm not going to add a surface. Remove second surface. For example, if you want to have soft tissue that appears with bone, one of them is transparent, you can add a surface. So let's go again here. See other options. If you click here on options here, okay. Options, you can, from this meter, you can adjust the brightness and contrast together. Look at the right side workspace. Here you can adjust only the brightness. You can make it bright or make it dark. And the contrast, meaning the difference between black and white, you can adjust from the contrast meter here. So this is options. We have clipping. I think it's important to clip. You can do the clipping from any, clipping means cutting. So You can do it from any view. For example, here we are clipping from the sides, from sagittal. We are doing some clipping to see internal structures on this 3D. Here we are doing from coronal or front view. As you can see also, we are doing some clipping. And we have the axial, it's from top to bottom or bottom to top. If you choose this side, the left side, you will have it from bottom to top, for example. As you can see here. If you do it from the other side, you will have it from top to bottom. Depending on the cases of maxilla or mandible, you will need to clip in the right direction. So these are the options for the 3D. Let's see the options for the workspace on the side here. We are getting to know the icons. That's why I chose a simple small case. So let's see it. Here you can show a grid. You can show a grid if you want to adjust symmetry, for example. I don't need it. Here you can clip the data from this plane. You can use it to do clip on this specific plane. Okay, and then you can deactivate it. Sorry, you can deactivate it from here again. Now we have also turn around. Don't use this, it's very dangerous. It will switch right to left or left to right unless you have a machine. Some types of beam CT machines give you the image that's not compatible with the software, so you can switch right to left. Or maybe if you want to see it this way for any reason, I don't recommend playing with this icon. We have also here show indicator, show intersection markers. You see those. I think these are very important. You can go through the orientation lines to see other views. I find them important. Okay, so sometimes you need to see a specific cut or a specific area from the 2D instead of using the mouse wheel to rotate or move the planes. You can do it from the 2D. It's more precise, more accurate. Anyway, you can do it both ways. And you can hide all indicators or see them. If they bother you, you can hide all the indicators from here, or you can show whatever indicators you like. So these are the DICOM. These are the DICOM files, and as we can see, we have the DICOM control. You can get the ISO surface that you need. You can do thresholding. You can see that see it as an X-ray. We have also some solids and so on. We'll stick to the ISO surface or X-ray, and we can go to the next step.